Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, April 3rd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, let's get started here. You'll see the S&P 500 E-mini futures. They are trading higher by 3/4 of a point to 23.60 per contract. Now, on Friday, the market did dip ahead of the closing bell, but today it is basically flat as we are about to open in about 40 minutes. So we'll see how this market plays out today. Again, markets have been, somewhat choppy a little bit lately. We've had some decent up days and some decent down days. So we'll see what today brings. It is a light volume Monday, and Mondays notoriously in 2017 have carried some of the lightest volume with them. So again, be a little bit on the guarded side with the light volume. That does favor markets from falling. So again, you want to be a little bit careful there. But let's take a look at some stocks in the news. We're going to start the day off with Wynn Resorts. WYNN is the first, is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at 117.10. It looks like there's some news coming out of Macau that Macau, China, has been better than expected, and Wynn Resorts catching a really good bid this morning. Stock closed at 114.61, so this is a decent move higher. At the moment, though, when I look at Wynn Resorts, it is a little bit overbought, but really the next big resistance level is going to be around 120. So, again, the stock still looks strong. In sympathy to the news in Macau, you're going to also have Las Vegas Sands ticking a little bit higher. That's trading at $58, closed at $57. So that's a good move there. MGM, that is also trading up a little bit, trading at $27.67. That closed at $27.40. And then you're going to look also at MPEL, which is Melco. That is trading at $18.90, although it is on pretty light volume. But that is up from $18.54. So real good move on all the casino names. Keep them on the radar today. We'll be looking at those once the opening bell rings, but they're all going to be in play. Again, nice little gap up on better than expected news coming out of Macau. So we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we're going to take a look at Ford Motor. This stock right now is trading at $11.64. Looks like there's a recall on the Ford F-150. So again, looks like there's a transmission problem. That's been a history of Ford going back. Right now, the stock is trading down. I don't see support on this one until we get down to around $10.60. We get down there, I think that is a pretty good level for Ford going forward. So keep that on the radar. Ford looks good around $10.60 today. Mylan Labs is in the news today. Let's take a look at the stock. MYL is ticker symbol there. Looks like Mylan right now is coming under some pressure due to an EpiPen recall. Again, you could look more into the news if you want. Right now, the stock is holding firm at $38.49. Closed at, I believe, $38.99. So it is trading down just a little bit, but Mylan coming under a little bit of pressure as there is an EpiPen recall out there. So check out the news, but we will be watching Mylan once the opening bell rings today. Right off the bat, I do see a level at around $36.66. By some chance, we could trade down to that area. I do think that is a very good spot to get into Mylan for a day trade. Let's take a look at Tesla. TSLA is the ticker symbol here. Looks like the company came out with news today saying they delivered 25,000 vehicles in the first quarter of 2017. Right now, the stock is trading at $287.55, closed at $278.30. So this is a pretty good move here for Tesla this morning. So we'll keep that on the radar. We'll see how that plays out. I'm looking for levels here. I think we have a pretty good resistance level around the 293.50 if the stock does trade up there. So keep that on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see what it gives us. It is a pretty light volume morning, so we're not going to make too much out of this. Let's go over to the gold market. Take a look at the GLD this morning. GLD right now trading at 118.74. Spot gold is trading down $2.40 to $1,248 an ounce. So again, gold coming under a little bit of pressure, but again, the GLD is basically flat from where it closed on Friday. Crude oil is up 12 cents right now, trading at $50.72 a barrel. Here's a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, trading at around $10.64. This is basically exactly where it closed on Friday. So again, we'll leave it there, short and sweet today. Again, Mondays are normally a lighter volume session, But we'll see how this market plays out. And again, Friday afternoon, we did get an S&P sell-off into the closing bell, which was a little bit rare to see. But again, we'll see if there's any damage done here this morning. With that being said, everybody, if you want to come along and trade with us, come on, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Get to see our desktops live, get to see everything we're doing, and again, it's fully interactive. And just take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everyone, have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.